Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Billionaire with Maddie. We are back after a long time on a full video. We are always regular on the shorts, right? We're back after a long time on video. Today, what I'm going to tell you is how to create NFT for free. Free. No gas fees, nothing. Totally free. And you might be thinking I'm going to tell you on OpenSea, and you got excuses that OpenSea is having a lot of like competition, right? But this is something new place where I'm going to tell you something where you can mint your NFTs, and that too free of cost, no gas fees. Yeah, that's true. This is a new place known as crypto.com NFT. Find it over here. It's a wonderful NFT marketplace. You can mint or sell your NFTs just free of cost, no gas fees, nothing. So I'll tell you how to create NFT over here. It's free of cost, right? This is my profile over here. It's Maddie boy. I am Adabadi, and these are my two collection, Metaverse Home and Art Life. I'm currently working on this Metaverse Home. So now what I need to do is co- I need to create an NFT. I'll let you know how to create an NFT. I've made quite NFTs now, but let you know how to create your NFT on this platform. To become a creator, you just need to fill up a form available on this website, and you go over there. I have been verified for this website, so I am able to create NFTs now on this website, on this NFT marketplace. But when you fill up a form, after a week or 2 weeks, you will get a reply from them that whether you are verified or not, or some more work you need to do. Yeah, so I was verified, and I'm a verified creator over here. So I'm going to tell you how to perform or how to create NFTs for free of cost. You will just see it how I'm just creating NFTs just free of cost. I'll just put a click create option. Working. Hope so. It works beautiful. Oh, it's open. I'll do, sorry. I'll dropping it's open. Create option. You're just gonna choose file. I'll open. I'm going to go some which file man. This is all on my camera. Maybe this was the one I'm gonna put. This is something new which I uploaded today. It's Metaverse Home. I'll show you some before uploading. I'll show you this collection so that you can understand why I'm putting this home. I made this collection. Show you this. See, these all are homes collection, which is going to quite up. I've already made 15 no collectibles over here. First, I'll create the NFT, then I'll show you this whole collection. Don't worry. Yeah, what I'll write is correct metaverse home 3D art. Right? Looks good, right? Looks a good name. That's why I'm presenting because I have to be in same collection. You know what collection is? I've told in the previous video. Just go through my previous videos. You will get to know what collection is. This is the correct metaverse home. All right, because I'm it's the same collection or same procedure going on for all the homes. Let's just write a description. You can just need to write description as you write for everything. You to just write description. I'm just writing the description of my NFT. This is something I written. This is the description I mentioned over here. Now I have to mention the collection it is from. So mine is this is from Metaverse Home Collection. This is the collection I'm making from all the homes which I'm creating. So yeah, this is from Metaverse Home. This is an art. So how many copies I need to make of this art? So I'll make just 5 copies. And just remember 10% royalty. What is the minimum 10% royalty? For example, if I sell it for 10 $10, right? For example, just giving you an example. Then the person who buys it for $10, now he's the owner of this NFT, right? So if he sells for 10 again $10, I'll get 10% of it. That's I'll get $1 in return because I was a beginning owner of this NFT. So I'll get 10% earning every time this NFT gets sold. That's what loyalty means. I'll just put it in create and it's minted. Your NFT is minting. Now what happens is when we go now, we'll just check it in our collectible sizes. It would be available once or not. Let's check. These are all the NFT which I have created. Looks beautiful. You can visit my profile. Just need to type. I'll just show you how you can visit and see these homes. Can you see this? It's correct metaverse home. No need to. It's minted on this marketplace. Now what we need to do is sale. So don't wait. It's not totally. It's not ready to be sold. There's still time to get it on NFT marketplace. Still you can't find it for to buy. If you want to buy or you sell it, there's one more step. You need to select because I have minted 5 NFTs, right? So what I need to do is just select edition. I'll put select over here. One for the first copy. What price I need to put? So it's what is written over your NFT is being minted. That means it's still getting minted on this NFT marketplace. It will take time. After that, I can put a price on this NFT and it will be sold. Till now, it is not ready to get sold. I need to put a price over it. Till the time it gets minted, I'll show you something. How to search someone. If you like it, my collection name is Metaverse Homes, right? So if you want to see my this collection, you can write Metaverse in the search bar, Metaverse Home. You need to go in this as it is in collection. So this is my one. So I'll put this on second one. And yes, you can see this collection. You can see this all beautiful Metaverse homes, right? Some have been sold. You see, there are 5 different owners who have been sold, and we have already traded $13 over from it. That's the price, and it's getting sold and sold. Many of them have sold. Some other repeated owners which are buying their homes. So yeah, they're quite interested and keen in these NFTs because we all know metaverse is the future, right? And this metaverse homes are gonna be big thing. I'm just putting it on such a cheap price right now. I know it's a good project, but I'm right now putting on very small price, cheap prices. No worries. I just wanna get people to sell it on the cheap price. You can all buy it because many, I think, out of 15 already, 9 to 10 are already sold. 5 to 6 are still remaining. Buy yours fast because only 25 collectibles I need to put over. I think I'll put in this collection. I'll start a new collection over here. Let's refresh it and check whether it is minted or not. It's still not minted. We haven't got the option to get sale over here, right? We need to just wait for a more while till the time it gets ready. Just wait and watch what's happening. We just keep on refreshing it. As soon as it gets minted, we can put it on sale. Let's keep on checking. Till that time, I'll show you that you can see. This is the way your profile gets showed over here. How many likes you have, how many views your profile has got. How I created 18 NFTs with total mint. Now you want to really knowing. You want to know what's the difference between created and minted. It means 18 NFTs, which includes 60 minted 65 means that some have 5 copies, some has 2 copies, some NFT. Total we have 65 NFTs as in copies. And when we check as a unique NFT, it's 18, but we have created that. That's the difference between them. Till then we can keep checking. Yeah. Now you can check. You can see that it's got minted, right? Yeah, it's getting minted. We just put on sale. We'll put it just 5 is enough, I think so. Not much. You need to post listing. And yes, our code will be sent to an email ID. It would be sent to an I'll just check it out. I'll just put my code which I received over here. 694 429 getting summit. Yeah, it's just no, you can search this thing. Now it's listed to get sold. See, the price has been written over there. Its creator is Mary Boy. Collection, my collection metaverse home. It's being listed now. Anyone can buy on this marketplace this home. Yeah, it's ready. So yeah, keep following us, keep subscribing us for more information. We'll be telling you more and more about the crypto world, how to buy, how to sell crypto. It's quite easy. You just keep following us. Stay tuned, subscribe us. We'll be back with something new and creative in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you.